I'm gonna take down my hair. Yeah, because it's time for a new hairstyle. And I want my nails done, but I can't have my nails done until my hair is done. In honor of Cinco de Mayo. Oh, sorry. Okay. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do. Hold on, one more shot. I did these braids. I can barely see. They're supposed to be jumbo knotless, but I literally just wore it in a bun. Like, I never dipped the braids. So if you know, you know. I never dipped them. I just had them in a bun the whole time. Because I already knew I was going to take this out. Oh my God. Tell me why I only use one pack of hair for this hairstyle. And I know it's a bitch like, yeah, I could tell. Not too fucking much. I'm saying though, like, I bought 4 packs of hair and finished the whole one. So I kind of don't have to go to the beauty supply, but I'm gonna go anyways because I want to buy some Beezy Wave Organique. You know what I'm talking about? The Organique Beezy Wave. I've never done island twist before, but I think it's going to take way less hair. I don't know. My phone died. I'm gonna get in the shower. Wash my hair. Y'all so mad y'all can't see what's shaking down here. I'm gonna let my phone charge a little bit more though. And I just text my best friend and asked, can I pick up my camera charger, my battery charger and stuff? Cause I might as well, like, buying a whole new one is crazy. Let's be reasonable here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going a little, cause I feel like I'm on a time constraint now. Only because I don't want nobody feeling like I'm trying to make them be on my time. Like, I just got the okay to go pick up my charger. So I'm gonna hurry up, get in the shower, wash my hair, and then blow dry my hair. As long as I stop doing all of this and get to it, we're gonna be good. I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm wearing when I get out the shower, but this is basically, yeah, so. Looks like we're going to the store, even though I didn't really want to. How we finna make this look like something I could go outside with? Braiding gel, edge control. I swear I'm a bad bitch. I swear I'm a bad bitch. Give me a second. But I got my battery charger. I didn't bring no glasses, no sunglasses. I didn't bring no lip gloss. But it's okay. Fuck it. We bought. Let me clean this because we finna go get slushies. It's so hot outside.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a...
Okay, I gotta find some quarters so we can vacuum the car out. Just have quarters. Honest?
Please don't treat me wrong. Please
battery out, I mean. I'm gonna plug it in that wall back there.
With the giants up again, shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Whenever she want, take her on the yacht to the wherever she want. Take a 50 clip and boys doing shit is wrong. She that loves her attitude, she on the way from. Hey.
So I have 2 more rows left, but if you look at it, am I tripping or this can be 1 row? Am I tripping? Next time y'all saw me, my hair was supposed to be done. Let's just say it's done. Anyways, we got a package to open. But this is what I ordered. And it better be the right color too. I don't know what this is, honestly. Oh, this is a little pencil case. Got stylus tips.
Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want.
I'm getting gas right now. Let me put y'all on. This bitch right here is so pressure. Alright, we should be on our way to Dollar Tree now. What's this say?
All my girls in the rainbow Cadillac.
Hit the top is crack that like, hey baby, say with your chest if you fuck with me. 10 million stuck with me.
Bitch, I need a 305.
Help me up, bring that trap in and
She cut the 38. She know her lane. Stay in your place.
To the hair. Right now I'm pulling up my reference picture. Tape.
The P.O. box is where I put them.
This a haul.
It's nice.
Yes. Yeah.
Picture that box with that. Yeah. I ain't got that shit going on.
You know, like
You just want to use the product.
Yeah, I want.
He don't want to be wrong.
Yeah.
You can really sing.
So like I was saying.
Hell, nasty. It's not nasty. It's just crispier. It's better. Yeah. Cannot at all.
I was gonna take a $5.
You better do it. He said that I'm finally pregnant. The plate and plastic around. You.
Fucking ass.
I used to say it, but no.
Like you said, it's never that.
Here. Thank you.
Because we ain't got to work out.
That speak Japanese.
Sometimes, like, certain stuff, like, usually, like, how it goes, like, my mom speaks to me in Japanese.
For the thumbs to the whole world.
It is your bestie.
My camera is dying, baby. It's on 2%. Oh my god.
I'm gonna tear that up in a second. My phone died. I just put the tissue paper on the front, put one in the back, one on each side, and then I put two in the front. I also pushed down the flowers in the front so it's like layered. I literally just been winging it and just folding and taping, folding and taping. Lightly. I'm gonna just take the one in the back will stay up. So my friend came over here and she had made a bouquet. Amy, she just left what was left over here, which was them two dried out roses in the back and these. And I'm looking at the rest of the flowers. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit more, so. This is what I just had my phone propped up on, by the way. Okay, I did this second one way faster, but I actually like how I did the second one. I wrapped it, this back part from the back to the front. So I can't really explain it, but the sturdier. We got the little balloons. I got two of these. I had two hearts, but one of them broke. So I just grabbed a little flower. Yeah, so now I gotta clean up all of this mess now. This ponytail, this half ponytail, half button thing is so heavy. Okay, but I'm finna journal. This is my pencil case that I just got because I'm starting school in the fall.